Let's talk about how you can save an incredible £10,000 in 2023, no matter how low your income is. Paying for childcare while you're working as a parent is a struggle, so I genuinely know how hard it can be to put money aside when there's barely anything left at the end of the month. Finally, we've just got our 33 hours of childcare for my youngest little boy, so I get it. Whether you're a mum returning to work, a part-time worker juggling childcare commitments, or simply someone with a lower income, this video is for you. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dive into the world of low-income budgeting and saving. As a mum myself, I understand the challenges that come with balancing work and family life, especially when finances are tight. I've been there and I'm still struggling to make ends meet whilst dreaming of a brighter financial future for my family. And that's why I've come up with a plan that can help you save £10,000 over the next 12 months, regardless of your income. It's all about setting realistic goals, planning, and staying disciplined throughout the process. So, let's start by breaking down that big goal of £10,000 into more manageable chunks. If we want to save £10,000 in a year, that means that we need to save about £833 a month. Now, I know that might sound like a lot, especially if you're on a low income, but don't worry, I'll be sharing some ideas to help you achieve this goal. The first step in saving money is to take a close look at your expenses. Now, we all have subscriptions or recurring payments that we don't even use or need. So go through your bank statements and see if there are any areas where you can cut back. Now remember, every little bit counts when it comes to saving money. Next, create a budget that takes into account your income and expenses. Allocate a certain amount of money for essentials like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and childcare. And then once you've covered your necessities, see how much money is left over for spending and for savings. Now make sure you prioritise your savings in your budget and treat it like any other additional expense. Now, one way to stay on track with your budget is to use the cash envelope system. This involves dividing your cash into separate envelopes for each category in your budget. So, for example, you might have envelopes for food, entertainment, and clothing. When the money in the envelope runs out, you can't spend any more on that category until the next month. This system can help you stay disciplined and avoid overspending. Now, if envelopes and cash are a bit too old school for you, there are bank accounts that create saving pots. So I'm going to use Monzo as an example for this. So you can set up individual pots for the same categories that we spoke about. This is all in the app. So you've got like food, entertainment, clothing. When you get paid, whatever target you've set for those pots, for example, it could be like 50 quid on entertainment, that then automatically gets transferred across, leaving the rest of your wage in your main account. That's when you get paid. Now, one main area where you can save money is by meal planning and shopping smart. So plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list and stick to it. Shopping online can stop you going over the budget as well and get tempted to throw things in your trolley that you don't really need. Look for sales, use coupons and buy in bulk when it makes sense. Also, consider cooking at home as much as you possibly can instead of eating out or ordering takeaways. If you do order a takeaway, find ways to make it cheaper, like buying naan bread from the supermarket or microwaving your own packet rice instead of ordering it. These small changes can add up to big savings over time. Now let's talk about boosting your income to help reach that £10,000 goal. There are various ways to make extra money, even if you have a busy schedule or childcare commitments. Consider taking on part-time work, freelancing, selling items on Facebook Marketplace, eBay or Etsy, or even starting a side hustle. The key is to find something that works for your lifestyle and schedule, or doing something that you're really passionate about that could make you a little bit of cash on the side. Even something random like dog walking. Another great way to save money is by participating in a no-spend challenge. This involves choosing a specific time frame, it could be a week, a month, or even just a weekend, and committing to not spend any money on non-essential items during that time. Instead of going out for a meal or buying a new outfit, look for free activities to do with your family, or get creative with the items that you already have at home. Have a look around for free museums, go to the park if it's dry, go for a walk or a bike ride. You'll be surprised at how much money you can save by simply cutting back on unnecessary spending. To make saving even easier, consider automating the process. So set up a standing order with your bank to transfer a set amount of money from your main account to a dedicated savings account each month. By doing this, you won't have to think about making the transfer yourself, and you'll be less tempted to spend the money instead. Now, there are plenty of apps out there that can help you save money on everyday purchases. Some popular ones include cashback apps, grocery coupon apps, and budgeting apps. Download a few of these and see which one works best for you. By utilising these tools, you can stretch your budget even further and save more money each month. Set up a new email address and use it to sign up for all the loyalty programs you can possibly sign up for. And that way, you won't get constantly spammed in your usual inbox, and you can dip in and out of your offers. Sign up to be a subscriber for all the shops you love and shop at the most. Make the most out of things like your club card vouchers. Don't plough them straight back into Tesco, but treble them with the partners that they've teamed up with for days out or meals with the family. If you buy anything online, make sure you do it through Top Cashback so that you get a percentage back. You won't believe how much money can tally up, especially over Christmas. If you have high interest debt, like credit card debt, it's important to prioritise paying it off. The longer you carry this debt, the more you'll end up paying it in interest. And by eliminating your debt, you'll free up some money each month to put towards your saving goals. See if you qualify for a 0% credit card and do a balance transfer. That way, when you pay your card off monthly, you're actually chipping away at the debt as opposed to the interest. Lastly, it's essential to stay accountable and celebrate your progress along the way. Share your saving goals with a trusted friend or family member who can help keep you on track. And don't forget to reward yourself for small wins, such as sticking to your budget or reaching a mini savings milestone. This will help you stay motivated and focused on your ultimate goal of saving 10 grand. With these strategies in mind, you're well on your way to saving £10,000 in 2023, even on a low income. Remember, the key to success is consistency and discipline. Take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll have reached your savings goal and can be on your way to a brighter financial future.